Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple eye blink animation in After Effects. So with no further ado, let's get into the tutorial. And before we start, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. And if you haven't watched the video on how we created the layers and our eyes in After Effects, click on the video right now on your screen so you don't get lost in the process. So go forward a bit and create a keyframe for position, and go 2 frames forward and bring our position down for our set matte layer, and go 2 frames again, copy that first keyframe and paste it there. Copy the next keyframe, go 2 frames forward and paste it. So you just repeat this process one more time. I'm going to easy ease these keyframes as well. So go to keyframe assistant and easy ease. So you have this simple blink going on. So animate our pupil layer, press S for scale and go forward close to our 2-second mark. Think around there. Create a keyframe for scale and go to 1 second and reduce your scale to around 40. So I'm going to increase the size of this to at least 41. So yeah, it's okay. So in between these layers, we want our eyes to open, so animate to position for our set matte. Take it up around here, so which is okay. I'm going to easy ease our down keyframes and go to our graph editor. And make sure your edit speed graph is on. Keep your graph like this. So you have this simple scale animation going on. I'll move this keyframe forward. So all we need to do to improve our animation is to add some simple effects. So go to the end of our keyframe, copy this keyframe, paste it there, and copy this keyframe and go to the end and paste it there. So you repeat that for your set matte layer as well. So copy this keyframe, paste it there, and copy that keyframe and go to the end of our composition and paste it there. So add a simple effect to our pupil layer, which is turbulent displays. So once you apply that, go around here and create a keyframe for our mount and evolution. Around here, you make your mount 15 and your evolution to be around 4. I'm going to just move the slider this way. So keep your evolution around 4. I think 4 is okay. And go close to the end, move your timeline close to the end. And keep your evolution in 0. And move your slider this way. So I'm going to take it to the end of our composition and make everything 0. Press U to see all our keyframes and easy ease those keyframes as well. So you have this wobbly effect going on our pupil. So animate the highlight layer by applying a simple effect called wiggle position. So apply that and make your wiggle amount to be around 20 and wiggle speed around 2. So the highlight moves as well. So I'm going to preview this for you. Okay, don't forget to turn on your motion blur so we have a more smooth animation. So I'll turn on the motion blur for all our layers and preview this. So you have this lovely eye animation going on. And you can subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you wanted to achieve 2 different eyes, you can just pre-compose the layers and duplicate them. That's where you achieve this. Thanks for watching and always stay creative. Peace.